Figuring out what to pay for a small business website can be daunting. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the different options you have to have a website built or to build a website for yourself or your small business, and what's a reasonable cost to pay for those things so that you don't overpay and you get exactly what you're looking for. This is a quick, simple video. Be sure to stick around till the end because we're going to cover everything that you need to know before you go and evaluate options for what's the best website fit for you. So without further ado, let's break this right down. Okay, up first is DIY, so do-it-yourself website platforms. So these are platforms like Mighty Sites, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify. Click on the link below to Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month if you haven't heard of it for a simple professional website. So that's at the bottom end and probably the cheapest way to get a simple professional website. Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, those prices are all going to start between $10 and $50 per month. And then as you add features like premium features, themes, or apps, the price is going to go up and up with those additional things, including hosting. So they are typically user-friendly, but you are going to have to invest some time to get them up and running, except for Mighty Sites, which is flip a switch, put in your business info, and you've got a website. But those are kind of your do-it-yourself options, and that's about the price you're going to pay. By the time you add premium features, you're probably going to be looking at $100 or more with like a Wix, a Squarespace, or a Shopify by the time you get all the apps and stuff you want. So if you're really just looking for basic informational, it's Mighty Sites. If you're looking for basic informational, you're okay with spending a few hours building it, and you know that you're going to need to add a bunch of like premium features and you're okay with like $100 to $150 a month, then check out Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify. Second up is a custom design with a freelancer. So hiring a freelance web designer or developer can range from about $500 to $5,000. So it depends on how complex your project is, and it depends on how experienced that professional is. But this option can offer you more customization than website builders, plus you're saving your own time, which is a huge key for you to invest in growing your business while they build your website. All right, next up is a professional agency. So working with a web design agency usually starts at a few $1,000s and goes up to like $10,000 for small to medium-sized business websites. Now the cost accounts for a team of experts who are working on your project from all different angles. So that includes designers, developers, sometimes content creators, and SEO specialists. Okay, now here's a key. Regardless of the route that you choose, consider the additional costs that you're going to have on a monthly basis. So things like domain registration. So that's going to usually cost $10 to $20 annually. Hosting, which can be anywhere from like $25 to $100 a month if it's not included with your platform. You're also going to have maintenance, right? Something might break on your website or need to be updated. How much is that going to cost every time you need help? Are you going to have to spend hours doing it? Are you going to pay somebody for their hours doing it? You're probably going to want to do some SEO to boost it. That's going to be a separate cost. And then who's going to actually create the content? Who's going to create the graphics, the blogs, the copywriting? Figure out where all those come from, and it's either going to be your time or it's going to be somebody else doing it, right? If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe and like too, because it's essential to define your website's goals, functionality, and how customized you're going to need it before seeking quotes. And then you can sit down and try doing it yourself on like a Wix or a Mighty Sites, see what that experience is like, and then decide, okay, am I willing to spend $500 to $5,000 for somebody else's time to go and build this custom with more advanced features like e-commerce, custom integrations, extensive SEO work, or the cost, right? So once you get through that process, you're going to have a good sense of whether the cost is worth it, whether your time is worth it doing it yourself, and then what it is you exactly actually want out of a website.